Hi there, another quick tips and tricks video for the Iris Clarity app. Now, as you know, Iris Clarity is all about removing distracting background noises on both sides of the conversation and providing clearer conversations for you and your customers. But sometimes there are noises that you need to hear as part of your job. For example, if you're troubleshooting a device that makes an audible sound, which you need to hear to confirm it's working, or when two or more people are speaking into the same phone at the customer side and you need to hear all the voices. In these situations, simply open the Iris Clarity app, like so, and turn off Iris Clarity on the speaker side. By doing this, you're effectively allowing all the noise through from the customer, so you can hear exactly what's going on these occasions. It's a really easy process, but one thing to remember is that once the call is finished, make sure to toggle Iris Clarity back on, ready for your next call. Thanks for watching.